Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing in so your voucher links to your account. Once logged in, open the Domino's app and confirm it's updated. Outdated versions hide features. Keep the voucher code visible and check expiration and any restaurant restrictions. This avoids surprises at checkout. Now tap Order or Delivery, choose your location, and start building the pizza or meal. This is the first actionable step because vouchers often require specific item types or minimum totals. You add items ensuring you meet any minimum spend or eligible product rules. Vouchers often exclude sides or limited offers. Once your cart looks correct, tap Checkout and go to Payment or Promo/Gift section. This is where vouchers live. Enter the code exactly as printed, capitalization and hyphens matter, and tap Apply. If the app confirms the discount, the total updates instantly. If not, double-check voucher terms, expiration, and whether the selected store accepts it before you continue to payment. You verify the discounted total, add tip if desired, and choose delivery or pickup. This final check prevents billing surprises. Complete the payment and save the order confirmation or screenshot. The order number proves the discount applied. If the voucher fails at this stage, try logging out and back in, force close or reinstall the app, and re-enter the code. If that still fails, contact in-app support with your voucher code and screenshot. That speeds resolution and protects you from losing the voucher.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.